Hey gorgeous! Winter is here and it's time to level up your beauty game and work yourself inside and out. But let's be real, winter can be harsh and nobody wants dull skin, chapped lips, dry hair, ruining your vibe, or a bad start to New Year, right? Stick around because in the next 9 minutes, I'll be spilling all the tea on winter must-haves, beauty secrets, and how to be productive and disciplined to make this winter your most magical and productive yet. Stick with me till the end, and I promise you'll be ready to start your next year stronger, happier, and absolutely thriving. Before starting, hit that subscribe button. Let's go! First things first, let's talk skincare. Winter can be so rude to your skin, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Hydration is key switch to a thicker moisturizer. Look for ones with hyaluronic acid or ceramides to keep your skin baby soft. SPF in winter? Yes, girl, the sun doesn't take a holiday, so don't skip your sunscreen. Lip love. Say goodbye to chapped lips with a hydrating lip balm. Bonus tip, layer some honey before bed. It's a game changer. Winter must have a hydrating face mist to refresh your skin throughout the day. It's like a little splash of magic every time you use it. Also, use a humidifier as this device adds moisture to the air, helping to prevent dry skin and chapped lips. Now, let's tackle hair care. Winter can leave your hair feeling like straw if you're not careful, but I've got tips to keep it luscious. Oil is your BFF. A warm coconut or argan oil massage once a week will keep your hair hydrated and shiny. Say no to overwashing. Wash your hair 2-3 times a week to prevent dryness. Use a sulfate-free shampoo for extra love. Mask it up. Use a deep conditioning mask once a week. Bonus tip, you can DIY one with yogurt and honey. It's nourishing and affordable. Winter must have a silk pillowcase. It prevents frizz breakage and tangling, plus it's also good for your skin, reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, beauty queens, don't forget about your body. Moisturize right after a shower. Lock in that moisture with a body butter that smells like heaven. Think vanilla, cocoa, or lavender. For hands and nails, keep a cute mini hand cream in your bag and give your cuticles some love with cuticle oil. Stay cozy and stylish. Wear gloves to protect your hands and keep them soft. It's functional and chic. Winter must have a sugar scrub for exfoliating. Use it once a week to keep your skin smooth and glowing. And lastly, beauty isn't just about what's outside. To truly glow this winter, drink lots of water. Yes, even in winter. Sip herbal teas like chamomile or green tea for a warm detox. Eat beauty foods. Think avocados, nuts, and sweet potatoes. They're packed with nutrients your skin and hair will love. Winter must have a cute water bottle to remind you to stay hydrated. Make it aesthetic. It's more motivating. Now, let's talk about making this winter not just beautiful, but productive. I know the chilly weather makes you want to hit snooze, but babe, this is your chance to get ahead for next year. Set a winter routine. Start your mornings with warm lemon water and a quick stretch. A routine keeps you disciplined and ready to slay. Winter workout vibes. Move your body even if it's just a 10-minute indoor yoga session. Staying active boosts your mood and keeps that energy up. Stay on track. Use a planner to jot down your goals. Whether it's finishing a book, acing exams, or starting that side hustle, stay focused. Break your big goals into tiny steps. Each step forward is progress, no matter how small. Create a cozy workspace. Add some candles, fairy lights, to make working feel like self-care. Remember, consistency isn't easy, but it's the only way to achieve the life you want. So let's get moving, queen. Winter is the perfect time to reflect, recharge, and reset. Think of it as a pre-game for 2025. Make this season about you invest in your growth, your glow, and your goals. And here's a quote to keep you inspired. The way you start your day, your season, and your year shapes everything that follows. So make it count. This winter, don't just survive, thrive. You have everything it takes to stay beautiful, motivated, and unstoppable. So light that candle, get your to-do list ready, and let's make this season magical. Comment what you want in next video. Until next time, stay cozy and stay gorgeous.